Rapunzel. A lovely wife expected a child. The pregnant wife insisted that her husband should bring Rapunzel and fruit salad. She liked its taste. She forced her husband into stealing Rapunzel from the garden of an enchantress who lived nearby. The husband loved his wife very much. He wanted to fulfill the wish of his wife at any cost. So he made up his mind to go to the garden of the enchantress. He climbed up the tree and picked fruit. He plucked Rapunzel leaves too. He did all this for the sake of his lovely wife. The enchantress caught the husband in her garden. She stopped him from plucking fruit and Rapunzel. She was very angry with the couple. The husband pleaded for mercy from the enchantress named Dame Gothel. He told her that his wife was pregnant. Dame Gothel forgave him but asked him to give the newborn child to her. The husband agreed. When a girl child was born, Dame Gothel came to pick her up. The husband and the wife cried a lot, but they were helpless. The enchantress reared the girl. She called her Rapunzel. The girl had long golden hair. She was pretty beyond comparison. When Rapunzel was 12 years old, Dame Gothel locked her up in a lonely tower at its top. There was no stair to reach the room of Rapunzel. If Dame Gothel wished to meet Rapunzel, she would sing a song. Rapunzel threw down her long golden hair, and the enchantress climbed up the tower with the help of hair. One day, Rapunzel was busy singing in her tower room. A prince happened to pass by. He was enchanted by her sweet voice. He wanted to climb up the tower, but did not know how to do so. Then he saw how Dame Gothel climbed up the tower. When Dame Gothel was not there, the prince called Rapunzel from the ground. He begged to let him come in. She agreed and brought him into the tower room. They fell in love with each other. The prince and Rapunzel became intimate with each other. They decided to get married. The prince decided to rescue Rapunzel from that tower room. Dame Gothel learnt that the prince and Rapunzel were in love with each other. She was furious because the prince had visited the tower room. Dame Gothel cut the golden hair of Rapunzel. The latter cried at the top of her voice. The prince came next day and called Rapunzel from the ground. Dame Gothel was inside the tower room along with Rapunzel. She let the golden hair fall down so that the prince might climb up. The prince was shocked to see the enchantress there as he entered the tower room through one of its single window. The battle was fierce. The prince and the enchantress fought a bloody battle. But the prince finally overpowered her. Dame Gothel was thrown out of the tower room. She met with her end. It was a happy union. The prince carried his princess away to his kingdom. They married there. Later, they had lots of children. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.